Ford's introduction of assembly line production, alongside the Model T, transformed car ownership and made vehicles accessible to the general public. This democratization of mobility laid the groundwork for future automotive successes. The historical rivalry between Ford and General Motors has significantly influenced the automotive market and the economic landscape of the United States. This competition has driven both innovation and consumer choice. The shift toward electric vehicles represents a pivotal moment for traditional automakers like Ford and GM. Both companies strive to navigate this transition amid rising competition from innovative brands like Tesla. Ford's strategic emphasis on electric vehicles includes leveraging brand loyalty while highlighting performance, affordability, and sustainability in its marketing campaigns. This strategy aims to draw in a diverse customer base. In contrast, General Motors faces criticism for its sluggish response to the electric revolution, struggling with consumer expectations and delays in launching new electric models. This has resulted in an identity crisis for the company. The fierce competition within the automotive market has compelled companies to adapt swiftly, with Ford showcasing effective strategies while GM continues to grapple with its market position. Evolving consumer preferences are redefining the industry's dynamics. The launch of the all-electric Ford F-150 Lightning and the Mustang Mach-E exemplified Ford's significant transformation and responsiveness to consumer demand for eco-friendly alternatives. These models emphasized both performance and utility. In response to Ford's announcements, GM unveiled its electric vehicle strategy, positioning itself as a competitor rather than merely following. This included ambitious plans for 30 new electric models by 2025. The mixed reactions to GM's strategy reflect skepticism regarding its capacity to catch up with Ford in the electric vehicle market. Analysts observed that GM's initiatives seemed reactive, raising concerns about its execution capabilities. Subsequently, Ford's stock prices surged, indicating investor confidence in its electrification strategy and placing it ahead of competitors like GM. This development was crucial for the company's market standing. Meanwhile, General Motors experienced declining stock prices and internal unrest as employees questioned the feasibility of its electric vehicle plans. This unrest highlighted the cultural challenges inherent to such a significant transition. Ford's Mustang Mach-E garnered widespread acclaim and positive reviews, reinforcing its market leadership in the electric SUV sector. This reception highlights the shifting consumer preferences toward eco-friendly, high-performance vehicles. Ford's marketing strategy underscores the Mustang's legacy while promoting a contemporary image. This approach effectively captivates a diverse audience, bridging generational divides in consumer preferences. Ford's commitment to sustainability is evident through its partnerships with environmental organizations. Their development of a comprehensive charging network for electric vehicles showcases a dedication to reducing their carbon footprint. Conversely, General Motors faces challenges as it reevaluates its strategies in the electric vehicle market. The company acknowledges the need for a cultural shift toward innovation to effectively compete with Ford's advancements. Ford has strategically integrated environmental considerations into its operations, focusing on sustainable manufacturing and renewable energy sources. This proactive approach seeks to foster long-term loyalty among eco-conscious consumers. General Motors faces skepticism surrounding its ambitious electric vehicle plans, necessitating tangible results to substantiate its claims. Stakeholders are closely examining GM's ability to meet evolving consumer demands amid regulatory pressures. The competitive landscape is increasingly leaning toward electric vehicle technology, highlighting the importance of collaboration among automakers to tackle challenges such as battery recycling and sourcing sustainable materials. This evolution signifies a new era of innovation and accountability. The formation of partnerships among automakers is vital for developing charging infrastructure and promoting sustainable practices. Such collaboration has emerged as a key strategy for shared innovation. Consequently, the competition now extends beyond traditional rivalries, concentrating on enhancing customer engagement and fulfilling consumer expectations. This shift underscores the dynamic nature of the automotive industry. Ultimately, sustainability and technological sophistication are defining features of the automotive marketplace. Securing market share today involves a responsive approach to eco-conscious consumer demands.